Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best turntables under $500 that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Retrolife vinyl record player. This suitcase-style turntable combines retro aesthetics with modern functionality, making it a great option for those who want portability and style. Its premium black PU leather finish and retro bronze accents give it a vintage vibe that looks fantastic in any setting. The built-in handle makes it easy to take this player on the go, perfect for small apartments or casual gatherings. Performance-wise, the Retrolife player supports 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and accommodates 3 sizes of records, 7-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch. The belt-driven system reduces vibrations for improved sound quality, and the built-in stereo speakers deliver decent audio for casual listening. You also get Bluetooth connectivity, RCA outputs, aux-in functionality, and even a headphone jack for private listening. However, the sound quality from the built-in speakers might not satisfy audiophiles, so using external speakers is recommended for a richer audio experience. In terms of value, the Retrolife turntable is ideal for beginners or those who prioritize portability. While it's not the most high-fidelity option on this list, its vintage design, ease of use, and portability make it a great pick for casual listeners or as a gift. Pros include its lightweight design and versatile connectivity options, while cons are its average sound quality and lack of advanced features like adjustable counterweights. Coming in at number 4 is the Udreamer vinyl record player. This model focuses on versatility and thoughtful design, making it a great choice for beginners and casual listeners. Its vintage wooden look adds a touch of retro charm, while the belt-driven system ensures minimal vibrations for a smoother sound. The detachable dust cover keeps your records clean and protected, and the tone arm lifter prevents accidental scratches. The Udreamer player supports 3 speeds, 33 1/3, 45, and 78 RPM, and 3 sizes of records. It also offers Bluetooth input, USB playback, and aux input, giving you multiple ways to enjoy your music. The built-in stereo speakers provide a decent listening experience, but you can connect external speakers via the RCA output for enhanced sound quality. The auto-stop feature is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to stop the turntable once the record finishes playing. While the Udreamer is feature-rich, its sound quality doesn't quite match higher-end models, making it better suited for casual listening rather than audiophile-level enjoyment. Pros include its retro design, versatile input options, and ease of use, while cons are its average sound quality and relatively lightweight build. This player is perfect for someone looking for a stylish, beginner-friendly turntable that offers good versatility without breaking the bank. At number 3, we have the 1x1 high-fidelity belt drive turntable, which is a step up in both design and performance. Crafted with a combination of wood and metal, this turntable exudes sophistication and durability. The streamlined corners and walnut finish make it a stylish addition to any room, blending modern and vintage aesthetics seamlessly. This model stands out for its magnet-type cartridge and adjustable counterweight, essential features for any serious vinyl enthusiast. These components work together to deliver rich, warm audio with minimal distortion, making it a great choice for those who prioritize sound quality. It supports both 33 and 45 RPM speeds and includes built-in Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to stream music from your smartphone or other devices. The built-in amplifier also lets you connect external speakers for an even more immersive listening experience. The 1x1 turntable is ideal for intermediate users who want a balance between quality and convenience. While its built-in speakers are sufficient for casual listening, audiophiles will appreciate its ability to connect to high-quality external speakers. Pros include its premium build, adjustable counterweight, and excellent sound quality, while cons are its slightly heavier design and higher price point compared to more basic models. Overall, it's a fantastic option for someone ready to invest in a reliable, high-performing turntable. At number 2, we have the Katsoko Bluetooth Vinyl Record Player, an all-in-one solution for those who value versatility and convenience. This turntable features a vintage-inspired design with a textured brown finish that fits seamlessly into any room decor. The belt-driven anti-vibration system helps reduce noise and delivers a smoother audio experience, while the removable dust cover keeps your record safe from dust and scratches. The Katsoko player supports 3 speeds, 33, 45, and 78 RPM, and accommodates 3 sizes of records. It comes with built-in Bluetooth functionality, allowing you to stream music wirelessly from your smartphone or tablet. The dual stereo speakers provide decent sound quality for casual listening, but you can also connect external speakers via RCA outputs for a bigger soundstage. Additional features like aux input and headphone jack add to its versatility, making it suitable for both private and shared listening experiences. This turntable is a great choice for beginners or casual listeners who want a stylish, feature-packed vinyl player without a hefty price tag. Pros include its retro design, multiple input options, and user-friendly setup, while cons are its average built-in speaker performance and lack of advanced sound adjustment features. Overall, the Katsoko turntable offers a perfect blend of functionality and affordability for a wide range of users. Finally, at the top spot, we have the Audio-Technica ATLP60XBK. This fully automatic belt drive turntable is a standout performer that combines high-fidelity audio with excellent build quality. Its sleek black design and low-profile build make it a modern addition to any setup, while the anti-resonance, die-cast aluminum platter ensures precise playback and reduced noise. The ATLP60XBK is designed for serious listeners who want a seamless vinyl experience. With 2 speeds, 33 1/3 and 45 RPM, it delivers accurate and consistent playback across a wide range of records. The redesigned tone arm base and head shell improve tracking and reduce resonance, enhancing sound clarity. It also features a built-in switchable phono preamplifier, allowing you to connect it to both phono and line-level inputs for maximum compatibility with external audio equipment. This turntable offers the best value for audiophiles and intermediate users alike. Its fully automatic operation makes it incredibly user-friendly, while its high-quality components ensure excellent sound reproduction. Pros include its superior build quality, precise playback, and versatility, while cons are its lack of Bluetooth connectivity and slightly higher weight. If you're serious about vinyl and want a reliable, high-performing turntable, the Audio-Technica ATLP60XBK is the clear winner in this price range. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.